In this video, I will show you how to use KDP book description HTML or how to use HTML in KDP book description. For that purpose, first of all, I would like to copy some description, or I want you to show you how to create this beautiful looking book description for KDP publishing. You can see this is H1. This is bold text, then it is separated into paragraphs which look clean and easy to scroll through and read through for your potential buyer. And next you can see this text is italic, then this is an unnumbered list of its specifications, then at the bottom the text is bold. So for that purpose I will use an HTML editor online, and this is the site is html-online-.com/editor. I just searched in Google HTML editor online, and I came across this site, and I just love this. All you have to do is copy your simple text description like this. This is my simple text description of the same book. I will paste it into html-online.com/editor. Control V. Now, as this description is, the first line is H1 or heading 1. To do this, just select this, go to formats and make this H1. You can see the code has changed. Now next, move to here, click on here and then press enter. It will change it to 2 paragraphs. Now I want to make this bold. Just select this, click on B for bold. You can also underline it if you want, but I am not doing this at the moment. Next, I want to highlight this one. Track your art projects, acrylic painting techniques. Take this italic. You can see the code has been changing automatically. Next, what I want to do is go to this and make this bold and italic. Next, I want these specifications here as unnumbered lists. This is unnumbered lists. So to do this, select these, then click one of them or default. Yes, default is looking well. You can also select circle or list or whatever you want. I am clicking the default. Next, you can see the HTML code for unnumbered list UL has already added. Next, I want to do is delete this extra space, then select this all and make it bold. Just scroll this page up and grab a copy. Next, I want to do is make this italic. Okay, this is how you can online generate HTML code for your KDP book description. All you have to do is select this code, copy, and go to your HTML into KDP book description space and add the code, paste the code and save. Your book description will change like this. This is really beautiful looking and clean looking, and buyer can be pumped to see it and purchase your book. So this is how you can generate an HTML KDP book description or KDP book description HTML, or how to use HTML in KDP book description. This video is all about that. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. My name is Subha Malik. I am doing KDP publishing, blogging and YouTubing. You can follow me, subscribe my channel and watch my next videos, and stay tuned for my coming videos as well. This is my channel and I would like you to have on board. Thanks for watching. I am Subha Malik signing off. Thanks again.